Hi and welcome to this video. Today we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind. How do you make money from digital business? Get ready for a goldmine of insights and practical tips that will transform your digital journey. So if you're interested in learning how to make money from a digital business and create an extra income online, stay tuned and watch the entire video. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button so you get alerted about new videos. Please make sure you like the video because that tells me you like the content and I will then create more content for you. Thank you. Well, let's get into it. Here is the first tip. Content writing. Content is king. They say it and they mean it. It is the foundation of the entire digital marketing campaigns and strategies, without which nothing could really scale. So there's a great chance you can make money by selling content writing services online. There are various forms of content that digital marketing strategies often work upon. The popular among them include articles, blog posts, social media posts, and scripts for video posts. Almost every business requires content for writing services, either in-house or remote, to get their brand ongoing. So you can easily make money by learning the specific skills required for content writing. These skills include exceptional writing skills, keyword research skills, knowledge of on-page SEO optimization, and analytical skills to understand brands and grasp their voice. If you plan on working as a professional content writer, a college degree in marketing, communications or journalism can help you earn an edge over others. Also, there are multiple courses available, both free and paid online, that provide hands-on training for content writing. Here are some ways you can earn money from content writing. Number 1 is freelance writing. One of the most popular ways to earn money from content writing is through freelance writing. As a freelance writer, you work independently, writing for various clients. You can find work through freelance job sites such as Upwork.com, Freelancer.com and Fiverr.com, or you can approach clients directly. When starting as a freelance writer, it's essential to build a portfolio of work that showcases your writing skills. You can start by creating a blog online or writing guest posts for other blogs. You can also offer your writing services for free or at a reduced rate to gain experience and build your portfolio. Number 2 is copywriting. Copywriting is a specialised form of content writing that focuses on creating persuasive content to sell products or services online. Copywriters are in high demand and they often command higher rates than general content writers. To become a successful copywriter, you need to have a good understanding of consumer behaviour, marketing and branding. You also need to be able to write compelling headlines, product descriptions and call to action statements. Number 3 is social media writing. Social media writing is a relatively new niche in content writing. Social media writers create content for social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Social media writing requires a different skill set than other forms of content writing. You need to be able to write short, attention-grabbing posts that resonate with your audience. You also need to have a good understanding of social media trends and be able to create content that engages your followers. Number 4 is ebook writing. Ebook writing is another way to earn money from content writing. Ebooks are digital books that can be sold on platforms such as Amazon, Barnes & Noble and Apple Books. To become a successful ebook writer, you need to have excellent writing skills and a good understanding of your target audience. You also need to be able to create compelling titles and cover designs that attract potential buyers. Some popular ebook topics include self-help, personal development and business. Tip number 2, make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the finest ways to make money with digital marketing. You can earn money by recommending sales for the products of other businesses. The process of making money with affiliate marketing is pretty simple. You just have to find the products you wish to promote, create a relevant website and drive traffic from the potential customers of your affiliate product. There are 2 different working alternatives for affiliate partnerships. Standalone programs call for establishing an account directly with the product's company and affiliate networks wherever you can. It allows you to work through multiple partnerships at a time. Because blogs are the only primary medium of promoting affiliate products, it's significant that you conduct thorough keyword research before getting started with a particular niche. It would help to determine how much traffic you would be able to drive. While affiliate marketing is a good option to start making money online, You need a portfolio of existing content to get started. If you don't have a library of content on your site already, I recommend to prep at least 20 articles before you launch your affiliate marketing platform and seek partners. Diversify your affiliate partners. I don't suggest to put all of your affiliate eggs into one basket. A company may choose to close down its affiliate program, deny payouts, or slash commission rates. For example, the Amazon Associates program notably cut commissions in April 2020 across numerous product categories. Amazon affiliates promoting home improvement items had their commissions cut from 8% to 3% with a week's notice. A good rule of thumb: one affiliate partner shouldn't make up more than 50% of your revenue. That way, if an affiliate network cuts rates or shuts its affiliate marketing program, your business doesn't sustain a significant financial hit. It's easier to replace half of your revenue than all of it. I would recommend to own the relationship with your audience. The key to making money as an affiliate marketer is to have a loyal, engaged audience who care about what you have to say. That's hard to do if your content marketing campaigns are struggling to reach them. Social media and YouTube channels are often the first port of call for affiliate marketers looking to share their product recommendations. But relying on these online channels can be risky for several reasons. Number 1, many algorithms deprioritize organic social media posts to push marketers into buying ads. And number 2, you don't own the relationship with your audience. The third-party platform does. Your account could be hacked, deleted, or reported, and you might lose your entire audience. Mitigate that risk and have a direct line of communication with your target audience by having them join an email list. Not only are you in complete control over how and when your affiliate content reaches your audience, but you land in a place that isn't oversaturated, which is their inbox. Tip number 3, YouTube advertising partner platform. Create a YouTube channel and become an advertising partner if you are good at creating videos and are looking for ways to earn money through making videos. The process of earning from YouTube is easy but requires some effort, but after some time when your audience grows, your efforts will be worth it. A channel can be based on your expertise, from cooking tips to complex technical tutorials. Whatever you do, remember to have an element of creativity and innovation to help you stand out from the competition. I recommend to make sure you meet the following requirements before you start trying to become a YouTube advertising partner. Check all the YouTube monetization policies thoroughly. You have to fulfill the criteria of having 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months. Link your AdSense account to it. Your channel should have at least 1,000 subscribers, and check your country's availability to YouTube partner program. Tip number 4, freelancing. By signing up for platforms like Fiverr.com, you can earn money. Business owners such as home services and local businesses are always looking for digital marketing professionals to manage their digital marketing online. You can find a low competition gig on Fiverr.com and create a compelling gig. Once your gig goes live, start bidding on similar projects. You can answer the client's questions correctly. You can start earning online with your skills in digital marketing. Business clients receive services such as creating and managing Facebook and Instagram posts, managing their business pages, and managing their audience. You can also offer copywriting and ad design services. You can start with the service with the least level of competition. If you like the idea of freelancing, I suggest that you choose a niche. If your goal is to start freelancing, you might feel ready to take any paid work on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com that you can get your hands on. But as you get deeper into your freelancing career, you'll need to start being more strategic about the types of work you do and the clients that you take on. Now you might be thinking, how can getting picky about the freelance work I do help me make more money? When you specialise in a skill set, you become an expert in a specific field, and experts can charge more for their specialised services. There are expert and pro categories on Upwork and Fiverr too. If you were a prospective client and you needed someone to fix your email marketing, so people would actually sign up, write ads that convince people to buy, or just update your outdated website, would you rather hire someone who's a jack of all trades or a person who's a pro at doing one thing and doing it well? I'll choose the specialist every time. I would recommend that you get clear on your service offerings. One major decision you need to make early on in your freelance career is what you do and what you don't do. The more specific you can be about what services you offer, the better. Not only will it help you brand yourself, it will allow you to control how prospective clients perceive you and give you the opportunity to continue building your portfolio in the direction that you want to move in. Tip number 5, blogging on paid platforms. Various platforms offer creative services to content creators that they can use to earn money online. The following are some of the platforms. Medium Partner Program. You can earn money from posting content on Medium by joining the Medium Partner Program. The Medium Partner Program is free to join, so you can sign up to start earning. The next one is Clubhouse. With Clubhouse's Creative First Accelerator program, Clubhouse will further pay users for their creative efforts and inventive ideas in the future. Keep an eye on developments. The next one is Hub Pages, which was founded in 2006 as a user-generated content network that shares revenue. In 2016, the company's single-site business model was replaced by a multi-site model. This is a platform where you can publish articles and earn money based on how many people view them. Payments to writers is determined by a formula that primarily considers how well your article generates display advertisements. The next one is Newsbreak. The Newsbreak platform aggregates and publishes local and digital news. With more than 10,000 content providers, Newsbreak boasts 23 million monthly users. Approximately 50 million installs have been reported for the app globally across both iOS and Android services, with more than 99% coming from the US. Another one is Steemit. Writers interested in blogging can join Steemit. There are social aspects to Steemit as well as cryptocurrency elements. You can upvote, downvote, follow topics, as well as submit your own content on Steemit. Details about the company's paid partnership program can be found on their website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to tell me in the comments section below the video which one strategy or method or tip from this video you are going to use first. I'd be interested to hear from you. Are you ready to turn your dreams of a second income into a reality? I've got something special for you. Click the link below to join our exclusive webinar on creating a second income online. This isn't just a video, it's your ticket to a game-changing opportunity. Don't miss out. Click that link now and let's make those online income dreams come true together. See you at the webinar. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. Just click the subscribe button below this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.